Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grillin. I'm Chris, and today we are going to do some baking on the Traeger. Chocolate chip and bacon cookies. They're going to turn out awesome. And once you finish watching the video, check out the description box below for all my Amazon affiliate links and also a link to my Patreon. I'd appreciate any support you can give. Now let's get to it. First step is to get working on the batter, and first we're going to add the sugar. And we've got 1 cup of packed brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar. Then we have 3/4 of a cup of butter, softened so that it's easier to work with. And then we also have 1/4 cup of bacon fat. This is from the bacon that I cooked up earlier that we're going to use later on in the recipe. We'll get that all down into your mixing bowl. Then you want to mix it up till it's creamed. And that looks good. We'll move on to the next step. And next you add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Not powder, baking soda. 2 eggs. And then mix well. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then mix that up again. And then add in 2 1/4 cups of flour. And you're just going to mix that until it's just barely incorporated into the rest of it. And our final step is to add in just a little over a full cup of chocolate chips and the crumbled bacon that we made earlier. Then we're going to mix those up. Okay, next we are going to go get the Traeger ready to go, and we'll get these cookies on a cookie sheet. Okay, the Traeger is warming up to 375, and we are going to get these cookies onto a sheet. We're just going to do some rounded scoops with our scooper here. Then we'll just drop them onto the cookie sheet until we've used up all the batter. And hopefully by then, the Traeger will be up to temperature. The Traeger's heated up to 375 and it is cold out. This is the first time I'm going to be using the Traeger in sub-freezing temperatures. So we'll see how well it does. It actually got up to temp really quick, faster than I expected. So that was nice to see. The lid is double walled on this Traeger. Hopefully that will make things run smoothly. Anyway, let's get the cookies on. They are going to cook for about 8 minutes. Okay, they're on. We're going to come back in 8 minutes and hopefully they will be done. And yes, that is my breath you're seeing going across the screen. It is cold out. It has been 8 minutes and that's how long these cookies are supposed to take. It seemed to go by really fast, but we'll take a look and see if they're done. Okay. I think they're going to need a couple more minutes, so we're going to let it go for maybe 2 more minutes, come back and check them, and hopefully that will do it. It's been another 2 minutes, so we're going to check on these cookies, and I think they are going to be done. Check that out. Those look like they're done. Pull them off here. I've got another tray that I'm gonna put on. We made 30 cookies in total, and then we'll let these cool down and give them a try. And here are the finished cookies. I have to say, these are probably the best looking cookies I've made. They're all pretty round and they look pretty uniform, so that's at least something. I'm gonna grab one and give it a try. Here's what this one looks like. There's the underneath. So like I said, looks wise, these turned out pretty good. And they taste pretty darn good too. The bacon is kind of, I don't know, lost in the cookie. You don't really taste the bacon too much, but everything else is good. The flavor of the cookie, how soft it is, how crunchy the outside is amazing. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends. Leave me a comment down below. And there will be a contest announcement coming soon as well. Keep your eyes out for that, for hitting 1,000 subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit the subscription button, hit the bell icon next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And check out my Patreon and also the Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. And again, thanks for watching and have a good night.